everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 22 on the move again. So question number 1, choose a correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each questions. Number 1, why have the relatives of Dhanu's father come to his house? Options: A. To celebrate Diwali, B. To celebrate Bhaiya Dooj, C. To celebrate Dashera, D. To celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Answer is C. To celebrate Dashera. Number 2. Which dish was prepared at Dhanu's place on Dashera? Options: A. Doodh Pak, B. Puran Poli, C. Laddu, D. Jalebi. Answer is B. Puran Poli. Number 3. Who gives loan to people of Dhanu's village? Options: A. The Sarpanch, B. The Mukaddam, C. The rich farmer, D. The Talati. Answer is B. The Mukaddam. Next, number 4. What work does Dhanu's family do from the rainy season up to Dashera? Options: A. They have jobs, B. They have to dig lakes, C. They work on land of rich farmers, D. They remain unemployed. Answer is C. They work on land of rich farmers. Number 5. What work does Dhanu's family do after Dashera? Options: A. They are laborers in sugarcane fields and factories, B. They work as mason, C. They work to dig canals, D. They build roads. Answer is A. They are laborers in sugarcane fields and factories. Number 6. Which of the following crops can be grown even if there is no rain? Options: A. Sugarcane, B. Bajra, C. Wheat, D. All three. Answer is D. All three. Number 7. What does Dhanu's mommy and Dhanu should become after getting an education? Options: A. That he should become a Mukdam, B. He should get a good job, C. That he should become a Sarpanch, D. That he should become a teacher. Answer is B. That he should become a good teacher. Number 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. Dhanu's relatives have come to his house in a dash. Answer is bullock cart. Number 2. Puran Poli is also known as dash. Answer is Hulige, Obattu, Bobattu. Number 3. The families of Dhanu's village start work from the dash season. Answer is rainy. Next, number 4. After Dashera, families of Dhanu's village work in dash fields. Answer is sugarcane. Number 5. In season other than the rainy season, irrigation is done by digging dash from rivers. Answer is canals. Number 6. Since Dhanu's dash is blind, he cannot go with the family to work. Aunt Kaki. Number 7. At the factory, Dhanu's father does the work of getting the sugarcane dash. Answer is weighed. Now, question number 3. Put a tick mark in front of the statements that are true and a cross in front of those that are false. Number 1. Every festival is celebrated in Dhanu's family in a relative's house turn by turn. Answer is false. Number 2. Dhanu's mother, Mami and Kaki made Puran Poli with spicy curry. Answer is true. Number 3. Families of Dhanu's village get loans from banks. Answer is false. Number 4. People of Dhanu's village work on the lands of big farmers till Dashera? Answer is true. Number 5. After Dashera, Dhanu's village people work in building canals. Answer is false. Number 6. All farmers of Dhanu's village have their own land. Answer is false. Number 7. The habit of taking intoxicating substances can be taken up by the children of families who are addicted to them. Answer is true. Next, question number 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. Number 1. Dhanu's Kaki. Answer is C. Gives work to families of the village. Gives loan. Number 2. The Mukaddam. Answer is D. Number 1. Dhanu's Kaki. Answer is C. Stays back in the village due to being blind. Number 2. The Mukaddam. Answer is D. Give work to families of the village. Gives loan. Number 3. Dhanu's Mami. Answer is E. Wants that Dhanu should study and progress in life. Number 4. Dhanu's father. Answer is A. Is the eldest in the family. Now, let's start question number 5. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Number 1. Why had all the relatives come to Dhanu's house? Answer. All the relatives had come to Dhanu's house to celebrate Dashera. Number 2. What had been prepared for lunch on the occasion of Dashera in Dhanu's house? Answer. Puran Poli, sweet rotis made from jaggery and gram, and spicy curry has been prepared for lunch on the occasion of Dashera in Dhanu's house. Number 3. How is the Mukaddam helpful to the families of Dhanu's village? Answer. The Mukaddam lends money and help the families of Dhanu's village by giving them loans. He also finds work in sugarcane factories for them. This is how he is helpful to them. Number 4. How are fields irrigated in your village? Answer. Fields are irrigated with the help of wells and bore wells in my village. Number 5. What work does Dhanu's father, do in the sugarcane factory? Answer. At the sugarcane factory, Dhanu's father does the work of getting the sugarcane weighed and make receipts according to the weight of the sugarcane to keep an account of how much sugarcane he has given out. Number 6. What did Dhanu's mommy buy from the market for his studies? Answer. Dhanu's mommy bought pencils, an eraser, and a notebook from the market for his studies. Number 7. Do all the farmers in Dhanu's village have their own land? Answer. No, all the farmers in Dhanu's village do not have their own land. Only a few farmers have their own land. Number 8. Who cannot see in Dhanu's family? Answer. Dhanu's Kaki cannot see, that is, she is blind in Dhanu's family. Next, number 9. During what time of the year did Dhanu's family get work in the village? Answer. Families like Dhanu's work in the lands of big farmers till Dashera from the rainy season. Number 10. Who is a Mukaddam? Answer is, a Mukaddam is an agent for sugarcane factories or places where any construction work is going on. He provides labor to such factories, companies, and keep accounts of all money transaction done with laborers for them. So here we complete the solution of question number 5. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the next part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.